there, adventure seekers. Get ready for an extraordinary summer filled with laughter, learning, and lifelong memories. Welcome to Camp Otter, where inspiration meets growth in a haven of fun and education. At Camp Otter, our mission is clear: to provide exceptional early childhood education for all. This summer, we're turning that mission into a reality, with summer full of weekly adventures and theme-based activities. Picture this: your child embarking on a journey of self-discovery, embracing their inner eco-warrior, celebrating the richness of diversity, building strong connections in a spirit of team collaboration, and creating a safe haven filled with adventures. Dive into the wonders of nature, foster creativity and innovation, recognize the leadership potential in every child, and let their artistic expressions shine through various forms of art and creativity. Cultivate mindfulness, explore the fascinating world of STEM through hands-on activities, and embrace the freedom of learning in the great outdoors. With camping, hiking, and thrilling adventures, foster a love for reading and storytelling, and wrap up the summer with a grand celebration, showcasing the growth, friendships, and memories created throughout our Inspire and Grow Together journey. So, what are you waiting for? Limited slots are available. Visit www.otterlearning.com/camp-otter now to secure your spot and let your children experience the best summer camp of 2024. Join us at Camp Otter, where we'll inspire and grow together. See you there, ready for an unforgettable adventure.